on your circles homework, we're going to go over how to answer question number 4 and also how to answer question 10. Okay, on question 4, you're given the equation of a circle that, or give the equation of a circle tangent to the y-axis, and the center is at -3, 2. So let's get an idea of what this looks like. So at -3, +2, you have the center. And then it's telling you that it's tangent to the y-axis. And what that means is that here's the y-axis. That's the point of tangency. And you have the arc of the circle goes through and touches at that point. So why that's relevant is we went directly horizontal to that point of tangency. And that point that you see here, the center to the point of tangency, that allows us to figure out what the radius is equal to, which is 3 if we count the number of units. 1 unit, 2, 3. So from there we have enough information to write the equation of a circle. We have the h value is -3, the k value is 2, and r is 3. So x minus a -3, or in other words, plus 3 squared, plus y minus k squared, so 2 squared, is equal to 3 squared, which is 9. And that gives you the equation of my circle. Down on number 10, you have that they want you to write the equation of the circle that has the center for -3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -3 is my center. And that passes through 1, 5. So it's important to note that that your circle, when you're looking at it like this, the center to any point on the circle, this is your radius. And the question is, we have the center, we need to find the radius. How do I find the radius if we have a slanted line? We can't simply count the points, right? So if you remember back to first semester, that would be the distance formula, where the distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, and the square root of all of that. So my radius is equal to the square root of 1 minus 4 squared plus 5 minus -3 squared. So let's simplify that out. We get -3 quantity squared is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8, squared is 64. So my radius is equal to the square root of 73. Doesn't look like we'll be able to simplify that radical out further. So our answer would be r equal, or the equation of a circle would be, I'll write that above there, x minus the center is hk, so x minus 4 squared plus y minus a -3 squared, or plus 3 squared, is equal to r squared. And we have r is the square root of 73. So if you square the square root of 73, you get just 73. This is the answer to number 10.